make sure you look through the camera while you're filming so you know what you're filming.
What does filming mean?
Like as you're holding it, it's filming. Like, stop putting your hand, look. It's like a video. Max, you know how you take videos of yourself with the iPhoto and stuff? This is taking a video right now, not just pictures. So look, you see that? That means that's the video, so hold it. You gotta hold it while I mold. Don't cover it up though, and don't turn it off. And make sure you keep, get everything. Make sure you see it. You know what you do, yeah, make sure, keep your eye, make sure you get it all. Your turn. All right, you got some. Oh, so close.